Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zanny Jamel, and today I'm going to review a product. So a company reached out to me to review their product, and I was like, sure, yes. It's called iMethod Beauty. They have eyebrow stamps. Now listen, when I first got into makeup, eyebrows is one of the things I struggle with. I know a lot of people that struggle with doing their eyebrows, and they came out with this kit to make it so simple for you. So it comes in a cute little kit. We have different eyebrow stencils for different eyebrow shapes. They have the pomade, and they have this little eyebrow stamp where you can dip it and fill in your brows. So today I'm going to try that for you. At first I was worried when I saw the pomade, and then I opened it and I saw how dark it is, and I was like, okay, this should be able to show up on me because you know I'm a dark girl. So we're gonna test this out. Okay, so 5 stencils come in each pack. So this is for the right eye, and then I got another 5 that comes for the left eye. So you get a good variety on what eye shape you want. Now as you can see, my eyebrows are very sparse. So pomades are always my go-to to give me that nice little fill-in that I like. The stencils are labeled by numbers, and I believe it goes from thinnest to thickest. It goes from 1 to 5. I'm gonna choose number 5. Okay, so I'm just lining this up, and as you can see, most of my brow fits in here, so I feel like this will be a good size for me. Instead of opening the other pack, you could just flip it to the opposite side, and I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna try number 4 for my left brow. Okay, this one would be perfect for me. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with number 4 for both of my brows. Right, so I got the pomade, came in this nice little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna just dip some in there, build it up to my liking, because I like my brows dark because I'm a dark girl. Gotta make sure I got the right size here. Okay, I'm gonna get close to the camera because I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. Gotta do this with 2 hands here. Focus. There we go. It also came with this other brush if you want to just brush my hairs. And you can also use this brush to like just fill it in with the pomade. Just line her up there. And here we go. There we go. I had to really press into the pomade. Ooh, that looks so natural. Look at that. Okay. Gonna try the other one now. Look at that, y'all. Let me line it up here. Okay, I'm gonna hold it like that. This brow usually gives me the most problems when I'm doing it. It always has to be different. Just dipping that in. And okay. I think I held it higher. Let me go ahead and use this brush to clean some off. Now, I don't have a natural arch on this one, so I have to do this anyway, regardless, with all my brow products. And there's nothing on this brush. I'm just gonna use it to like really swipe it down, clean it up. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo this one because I look mad. See how easy this comes off. I definitely had this stencil way too high. Oh, she easily comes off. This is the fill-in, and this is my natural brow. That's what we needed. Okay, I need it right here. This should be different. This should work out better. Tapping it in just ever so lightly. That's how much product I got on. I think it's getting on the stencil more than me. Okay, let's see. Okay, I struggle with this, and I think it's because of the positioning and like having to hold it and fill it in. I'm not used to using 2 hands to do one brow. So I'm gonna take this brush and just fill in this one. Same pomade. Okay, I like that it's nice and creamy on the brush. So here we go. We'll go ahead and fill this one in. This is easy and workable. Look at how easy that glides on. Oh yeah, this is nice. And we'll just use the other side so that we brush it in. Oh, I got a little crazy, so I'm gonna fill it in a little. I like the consistency of this pomade. It's nice and it just glides on right on. That's how dark I like my brows. You see that? As usual, I always have to curve my arch on here because I don't have a natural arch. I like this color. I really like this color, and I like that it's rich enough to show up on my skin color. Just looking at it, I already knew that it would be for me. This is the Anastasia one, and this is the iMethod one. This is more richer, and I think this will show up on like all dark skin tones. I just love how this product isn't greasy. It's like very matte, and I just know this will like last all day, especially in this heat. Yeah, I have a good feeling that I'm going to be liking this as my new pomade. I don't think I will be using a stencil, at least not for this side, because I struggled with it. Yeah, I like the way how this looks, and I feel like I could do this with just like no makeup. Like, I was going to put on more makeup, but I was like, no, I'm fine with this, you know. So all my girlies that just like the basic look and don't like to go for the full beats, this pomade, like just having your brows, will be done. And this is nice, especially for the girlies who don't have a lot of brows like me, like have sparse brow hairs. This is, yes, this is it. This is a 10 out of the 10 product. Now, they also sent me their brush cleaner. And let me zoom y'all out. Ooh, not in. Okay, let me zoom y'all out so you can see it. This little packet has a little brush cleaner, and it has this little scrubber. I'm gonna open this. We're gonna see how this works, because you see how black this is. Now, I did not feel like going to the sink or whatever, so I have a bowl of water here. That's what the cleaner looks like. It's like a nice little soap. This water's a little warm. I'm gonna dip this in like that, get it all nice and wet, and then I'm gonna dip it on here. Just swirl it, just a little bit, like that. That's what we got. Then I'm gonna use this scrubber. This little scrubber, and I'm just scrubbing it. That is a mess, but like, it's like, let me get up so you can see. It's like really, it's really coming out. It's gray now. Let's get in there clean. I'm gonna go in another swish, just show you. You can see that. It really comes right off. This is a good brush cleaner. And I think this, because it's so compact, this will be a nice brush cleaner for all your brushes to like really travel with. Like this whole little set. And there's my little thing. Look at it, like brand new. A little gray right there, but it is nice and clean. So this is perfect. So that's my free review on the iMethod brow pomade and stamp, eyebrow stamp. Let me know what you think below. And it is available on Amazon, and you can use my code ZannyJamel to get 15% off. There will be a link down below. Highly recommend this, especially for the girls who struggle with brows or who wants a good pomade that's not too expensive. Definitely go check this product out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.